Alright Xiaomi fans, it's Techdevil here. Buckle up because today I'm diving into the latest beast in the flip phone arena, the Xiaomi Mix Flip. Let's get into it. First up, the heart of the Mix Flip, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This powerhouse ensures you're getting top-tier performance, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just scrolling through your feeds. Now let's talk display. The Mix Flip features a stunning 6.8-inch AMOLED display. That's about 17.3 centimeters for those who prefer metric. Crisp, vibrant, and smooth with a 120 Hz refresh rate. Perfect for all your viewing pleasures. Under the hood, you've got options. The Mix Flip comes in two RAM variants, 8GB and 12GB. And for storage, you're looking at either 256GB or a whopping 512GB. Plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos. Speaking of photos, let's dive into the camera setup. Xiaomi has teamed up with Leica to bring you a triple camera system featuring a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and an 8MP telephoto lens. Your selfies, handled by a 32MP front camera. Crisp, clear, and ready for Instagram. The Mix Flip comes in three sleek colors, black, white, and a stunning Aurora blue. So you can pick the one that suits your style. Now the moment of truth, the price. The Xiaomi Mix Flip starts at $999 for the base model. Considering what's packed into this device, it's a solid deal. So there you have it. The Xiaomi Mix Flip with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and Leica optics. A powerful, stylish, and versatile flip phone that's ready to take on the competition. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this review, and subscribe for more tech updates. Catch you in the next one. Techdevil watermark. And hey, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel for the latest tech reviews and updates. See you soon.